If you want strong legs, then you must train the hamstrings effectively. This is a really safe and beginner-friendly introduction to hamstring strength training where you don't need a lot of fancy equipment. Let's see what it is.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The Fitball hamstring curl is an excellent open kinetic chain introduction into hamstring strength. Make sure that you stick around to the end of this video so that you learn the 3 coaching cues that we use to make sure that you're getting the technique correct and you develop your hamstring strength the right way.
Fitball hamstring curl. We use this to strengthen the hamstrings, calf and glutes and prepare the body for more challenging bodyweight hamstring exercises in later phases of the UMS. Lay down on your back with your feet on the Fitball, arms beside you with palms facing up. Push the hips up as high as they can go and hold them there as you pull your heels towards your butt. Hold for a brief moment and then slowly straighten your legs. If this is too challenging for you, you can drop your butt back down to the ground between each rep so that you get a moment of relaxation.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible and fit. If you want to know how we do that, grab one of our free downloads. We've got a whole bunch of amazing blueprints that you can get if you click the link in the description. And if you want to get any of our programs for strength, flexibility, injury rehab or calisthenic skills, you can click the link to see our library. And hey, if you're a driven person and you want to learn how to train in the gym or at home in workouts that take less than an hour that make you strong, flexible and fit, you want to get access to our full UMS coaching program, there's a link in the description of this video for a 30-day free trial. Hope to see you in there soon.
The cues to think of when performing the exercise are: keep the hips up, keep the core engaged, be intentional with end ranges. The end ranges of this movement are when your legs are completely straight and also when your feet are pulled right into your butt, not being able to pull them any closer with maximal contraction in the muscles.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.